Okay, so what is the probability that we pick a random person, so one random person out of 170, what's the probability that this person is a man? Answer? Okay, 90 divided by 170, and alright, I've learned not to trust everyone. Okay, good, alright. What is the probability that this person is moderate? 56 over 170. 0.3294. Okay. Is conservative and a woman. Alright. How many people are conservative and women? There's 24 women who also are conservative. Okay. So we're going to do 24 divided by 170. So 24 divided by 170, this gives me 0.1412. Probability that someone is a man or is liberal. The answer? Okay, the total answer is 0.7059. Okay. We're going to break this down as probability of man plus the probability of liberal minus the probability of man and liberal. Is that okay? Okay. Probability of being a man, 90 over 170. Probability of being liberal, 55 out of 170. Minus probability of being a man and liberal, 25 out of 170. So far so good? Okay, we could do the math here and we get 120 out of 170. Or we could do the math at each step. No? It's a terrible idea? Okay. If you stay in fractional form, okay, if you know how to work in fractions, you're probably less likely to make a mistake. If you don't know how to work in fractions, you're more likely to make a mistake, okay? So I guess it all depends on your comfort with fractions. And so we're going to go 0.3235 minus 25 over 170. 0.1471. Alright, and I get 0.7059. Or in this case, 0.7058. Okay, this is slightly different. If you do 120 over 170, you get 0.7059. So we are off by 1/10,000th of a place because of some rounding issues. But that's okay. That's okay. So, this one's good. Okay, is liberal or moderate? Okay, so this would be, 111 divided by 170, which would be 0.6529. Okay, or these are mutually exclusive. Nobody can be both liberal and moderate at the same time, so I can just add these together. Probability of liberal plus probability of moderate. Okay. I mean, I could even try to subtract off liberal and moderate, but we'll see that that is also, that's 0. So we do 55 over 170 plus 56 over 170, and we get our answer. Okay. You can put it in decimal form, whatever. Okay, what's the probability that someone is liberal and moderate? 0. Okay, is anyone, can you answer the question, if somebody says, how do you self-identify liberal, moderate, or conservative? You cannot, at least according to this survey, answer both. Right?
How do you know that you can't, like, what?
Well, I mean, with the way the table is set up, Okay? Is there anybody who's in the liberal column that's also in the moderate column? No. Okay? There's no overlap there. So liberal and moderate, no overlap, 0. Yeah. The and there is 0. Okay, why don't we take a break?